Greetings to each and every one of you. Welcome to JD Royal Q Global and Wealth Makers Alliance YouTube channel. What a remarkable and amazing day it is today, because today I am officially launching my own Royal Quantitative Copy Trade known as JD Winner. Now this is a gift to the community. Alright, I would like to, this is just to say thank you to the community. I am so grateful for all of you who are subscribing to my YouTube channel, Wealth Makers Alliance. Those of you who are giving and encouraging comments and all the support and sharing this platform to the rest of the people so that their life can also change with all the opportunity that is being presented in this YouTube channel. Now, this is a huge opportunity because each and every one of you who are part of Royal Q community now, right, have the opportunity to earn an hands-free income with your own smart devices just by synchronizing with my copy trade, which is JD Winner. Now, I'm going to guide you through, how you can synchronize to this copy trade very soon. But before that, let me quickly just give you an update, a little bit about my background and my expertise. Now, apart from being an entrepreneur, an investor, an international speaker, and also an expert in the crypto space since 2014, I am also a trader and been trading for the past 7 over years. All right. Now, I trade forex market. I trade the commodity, which is the gold. I'm also basically an expert in crypto leverage trading, and I have been trading crypto leverage for many years. And one of the wonderful things is this, that I have already been using martingale strategy for many years in my leverage trading. So on 23rd of May 2021, I switched to Royal Quantitative Trading Bot because I found that this bot is using the actual strategy, using the exact martingale strategy that I have been using for many years. Now, this is just exciting, right? When I get to know that Royal Quantitative is actually using martingale strategy, I get so excited, and that is the reason why I immediately switched and I began to use this robot and began to experiment different things. Now, I spend quality time studying and analyzing the mechanics and the protocol of Royal Quantitative Bot. Now, amazingly, in just over 1 month, my trading results skyrocketed above 800%, and that is an average of 20% profit every single day. Now, that is the reason why, right? I have developed a winning strategy whereby I'm going to share this winning strategy through my copy trade so that you can then synchronize your bot with my copy trade and also enjoy these significant trading results. Now, today is a remarkable day. It is a remarkable day because I am officially launching my copy trade, my copy trade. Now, this copy trade is known as JD Winner, alright, and you can find this ID in your circle at the back office 1146. Now, if you look into the trading performance since May 23rd, 2021, the trading performance have exceeded over 800%, and that average trading profit per day is around 20%. Now, in saying that, please understand that past performance does not guarantee future result. But I believe, as you synchronize to those winning trades, you too will be able to enjoy those significant trading results. Now, JD Winner copy trade, is an extraordinary in such a way that you can actually copy the exact strategy and achieve the exact trading result. Now, if you are trading with Royal Quantitative, there are basically many ways that you can actually generate your income. The first way is basically you can trade your own. Alright, in trading your own, you have to decide your own strategy. You have to then define your own parameters. Or you can actually leverage on the copy trade and leverage on those winning parameters or winning strategies. Now, the other thing that you can do is to do a hybrid whereby you do your own trading and at the same time you also do a copy trading. Alright, so you can combine both of these at any time. So this is going to be exciting, right? Now, if you are leveraging on the copy trade, the good news is this, that you don't have to worry about the market analysis. You don't have to worry about price action analysis. You don't have to worry about coin selections. You don't have to worry about the trade settings, the parameters, and so on. So you leave it to the robot, okay? You leave it to the copy trade strategy, and that copy trade strategy will then deliver the exact trading result. Isn't that awesome? Now let me just quickly guide you through. Alright, guide you through how to synchronize. Okay, how to synchronize. This is a very, very simple process, and we can get through this process together. Alright. Now, what you need to do first is look for the circle at the bottom there. You'll be able to see circle. Click the circle. Now, in that circle, then you search for JD Winner. Alright, search for JD Winner, and thereafter you enter. Now, this is where JD Winner is, and you can see the ID number is 1146, and you click join. Now, when you click join, alright, you will come to that strategy page. Over here, you'll be able to see strategy for JD Winner, and you can see this is an audited, okay, an audited trading results for the past, okay, about 43 days. So just imagine, alright, 43 days, this robot, okay, my strategy has been delivering or achieving 800%. That is an average of 20% every single day. Can you just imagine that? Now, all that you need to do, right, is just to click over here, and you will get into the strategy page. And in this strategy page, you will be able to look into the details of all those coins that I have been trading. Now, I am an active trader, right? I'm an active trader. I watch the markets. I make sure that we trade the right coins, select the right coin at the right time, so that we can generate profit and deliver significant benefit to all those who are synchronizing to this strategy. So what you need to do, make sure you have chosen the Binance at the top here, and click synchronize. Now, upon clicking the synchronize, alright, you will be able to see the Syn strategy page. Okay, this is the synchronized strategy page. So what you need to do here is that there are two things here. One is the first buy amount, and the other one is the number of strategy. This is basically the number of coins, alright? So you have to decide what is the first buy amount and the number of strategy. That's all. The rest of it will be taken care by the robot by itself, alright? Please understand that. So the first order amount here, I'll put $10, and the number of strategy, probably I'm going to choose about 3, which means 3 coins. Okay. Now the decision of the first amount, first entry, and the decision of the number of coin, it dependent on your trading fund. Okay, trading fund in your spot wallet in Binance. Okay. And then there is a profit sharing here, which is only about 1%. So that will be basically a profit sharing from your total profit. 1% then will be allocated into the copy trade. So all that you need to do then is to click synchronize and confirm. Right, so once you have done that, now let's get back to home. Alright, let's get back to home. And you will see here, right, how many coins that we have placed just now? 3, right? So I have actually 3 coins here immediately, right? Immediately the robot has placed those trades, and all this trade you can see over here, it has been synced, okay, synced. So if I would click dodge, for example, you can see over here that is a Syn strategy. Now the Syn strategy means that this trade currently, right, for this coin is been synchronized with JD Winner. Isn't that amazing? Alright, this is the reason why, alright, this is a powerful tool that you can use, which is basically the copy trade. Now, if you decided, okay, if you decided to actually cancel the synchronization, okay, you can do so, right? You can do so. But before you even proceed, make sure, okay, make sure you get into the coin there and change from cycle to one shot. Alright, make sure that you change from cycle to one shot. That simply means that you want to end the synchronization for these coins. Alright, you want to end and cancel. So if you want to cancel, you need to get back to the circle and look for JD Winner once again, and get into the trading strategy and click the cancel over here. Alright, and confirm. Okay, so once you cancel, what happens is that those trade, okay, it will go through just one shot, and once it's completed, that trade will no longer synchronize with the copy trade. Alright, so I hope that is clear, right? That is clear. So that's basically a simple way, right? A simple and the fastest way how you can immediately synchronize and you can then enjoy, okay, the same trading result as the JD winner. Now, if I would get back again to the home, let's look at what is happening. All right, let's go back to the home. So you can see over here, right? Currently, the trading is actually following exactly JD's winning strategy, and I hope, right, you too will be able to experience such a powerful result. Now, last but not least, okay, I would like to get back to my YouTube channel, and I would like to say, first of all, thank you so much, okay, for subscribing to this YouTube channel. It is truly amazing to be able to see live, okay, how many lives are changed through this platform alone, okay. It is truly an honor to have you all on my channel, and thank you so much for your continuous support, subscribing, okay, to this channel, and also sharing this brilliant opportunity and changing life around the world. All right, so continue to subscribe, continue to share, because you are definitely giving me so much of encouragement so that I can continue to create more and more content. All right, more and more content. I am not really a YouTuber, but I am a content creator. I will continue to create, okay, value add content. So you can get to this YouTube channel, and this is like a one-stop center where you can get all those latest updated information pertaining to Royal Q. These are practical helps that you can immediately use, okay, and implement so that you too can actually experience a significant trading result. So in saying that, okay, I would like to say thank you once again. Alright, thank you once again, and this is an exciting day, and this is officially, alright, officially JD winner copy trade is officially launched, and I wish all of you all the best. Take care. God bless each and every one of you.